Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send blank empty messages on Viber. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your browser on your device. Once your browser is ready, navigate to emptycharacter.com. This website provides special invisible characters that you can copy and use in various messaging apps, including Viber. It's a simple tool that gives you access to characters that appear completely blank when sent as a message. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the Copy to Clipboard button. Go ahead and tap on it. This action will copy the invisible character to your device's clipboard, making it ready to paste anywhere you need it. The website handles everything automatically, so you don't need to manually select any text or perform any additional steps. Now that you've copied the invisible character, go back to your Viber app. Once Viber opens, tap on a conversation where you want to send the blank message. This could be any chat with a friend, family member, or group conversation where you want to send an empty message for whatever reason you might have. When the conversation opens, look at the text field at the bottom of your screen where you normally type your messages. Press and hold on this text field until a context menu appears. From the options that pop up, tap on Paste. This will insert the invisible character you copied earlier from the website into the text field. You won't see anything visible in the text field, but the invisible character is now there and ready to be sent. Finally, tap the Send icon to send your blank message. The Send button is typically located on the right side of the text field. Once you tap it, the empty message will be delivered to your conversation, appearing as a completely blank message bubble to both you and the recipient. And that's it! You've successfully sent a blank message on Viber using an invisible character. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.